Let us now use the move and delete commands in Siemens NX. I will hide this datum plane. To use the move command in the home tab, go to the move icon, select the face which needs to be moved and specify the distance. I'm going to say 10 mm, and as you can see, the face which was a drafted face gets offsetted by a distance of 10 mm. You can deselect the face finders in case you want to select a different face. Right now, I'm going to keep it at this distance. Angle is 0. You can change the angle as well. So as you can see, the angle is specified from the face. If it is in a different direction, you can use negative and click OK. Now let us use the delete command. Click on delete. Here I'm going to remove this hole. So select the face, and as you can see, the hole has been removed. Click OK, and we have removed this hole.